Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet, and let's get into the video. So first of all, you need to apply a foundation that matches your skin tone. Okay, that's the first important step to receive a no flashback photo. First of all, you apply it on your face. Well, that's obvious. What you need to know is the foundation needs to blend in properly. That's the most important step in this no flashback zone, okay? Or picture, I should say, not zone. What am I saying? So yeah, so right here I'm just circulating that brush all over my face so that nothing is showing, everything's blended. To contour my face, I'm using my Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Mahogany, however you pronounce that word, okay? Basically, I put that on my face and along my cheeks, nose. When it comes to blending the dark shade on your face, it is highly recommended that you make sure, I said before, that it's blended properly because a flash can pick up anything. First of all, I use a sponge and then I try to blend as much as possible, but to get everything like seamless, I use the foundation brush right after as well and then blend that out, which you will see. I'm going to use my Anastasia dip brow, which I love when it comes to my brows because it makes my eyebrow look natural. To conceal my brows, I'm going to be using the Cool Tan Concealer by AliExpress. So I'm going to conceal underneath my brows and slightly over it as well. I'm applying a bit more foundation over my mouth because around that area tends to be slightly darker as well. So I have blemishes around that area, so I tend to use more foundation around that area as well. So that's what you see me doing right here. So I'm using my Anastasia by MAC to contour my face even more with the powder because it brings more definition as well. So I'm just going all over my face with that. This is my all-time favorite. I love this highlighter. This is a true highlighter from Makeup Revolution. Love this highlight. Not only it makes the highlight natural, it just brings you like this glow to your skin, this bronzy glow to your skin, which I love with this highlighter. So I'm applying like lots of it because when I take that picture, honey. Now I'm going to finish this look with my Mink 3D lashes, which I got from AliExpress, one of the vendors on there. So I'm going to apply my lip gloss by Fenty. I think it's a luminizer, whatever that's Fenty lip gloss called. The first one that came out, I'm using that one on my lips. So yeah. I'm gonna finish this look, guys, and I hope you guys like it. If you do, comment below, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't as yet.
It's alright.